Hello again, everyone. Hope everyone's doing wonderfully well this early summer. So, are you guys ready for another trip? If you are, then let's head to Kameoka. Now, where is Kameoka anyway? Now, Kameoka is a city located a bit to the northwest side of Kyoto Prefecture, and it's notable for the Hozugawa or Hozu River, which links to Katsura River in Arashiyama. It's more of a farming area. But recently, it's been the home to the Sanga Soccer Stadium, Kyoto's official soccer team, which we will be taking a peek later. But mainly we are here to enjoy an outdoor onsen and KAISEKI lunch at Sumiya Kiho-an. Now, to get to Kameoka, you can either take the local JR Sonobe line or the Hashidate Limited Express. It takes between 20 to 30 minutes. But unlike Kyoto City, getting around Kameoka can be a little inconvenient, so it's quicker to hire a taxi. So here we are at Sumiya Kiho-an, located in the Yunohana Spa Resort. It is surrounded by idyllic and lush nature, making it an outstanding relaxation venue and an unforgettable experience. Now, as soon as you walk in, you can see the spectacular design of this Ryokan, with numerous artworks on display and museum-like designed interior, expertly using natural lights. Sumiya offers both indoor and outdoor onsens, with an option to book for a private hot spring. So let's take in the view and enjoy it while soaking in this rejuvenating natural onsen. Now, after that relaxing bath, it's time to head over to the restaurant and enjoy a great meal. Now, as you guys might already know, kaiseki is a Japanese course meal, which uses seasonal ingredients that are cooked to enhance their natural flavor. It's like an artistic and refined seasonal feast for the senses. Now, guests at this Ryokan can have a personalized menu which caters to their taste. And quite naturally, they also cater to vegetarians. Side service.
あ、トラックにも
そうなんですよ。それがね、干支で変わるんです、毎年。
あ
なんで毎年来てるお客さんにたまに気づかれる方いるんですよ。あ、今年笑顔になってる。
This is this year's animal. Tiger.
Oh,
Tiger.
this year?
This year's.
Not dragon.
Dragon? No. Tiger.
Mm.
네, 유시라 우타츠. Dragon is 네, 우타츠. Next year.
What is next year?
Dragon. Next year? 네, 유시라 rabbit. No.
So here we have the Sanga Stadium by Kyocera. It was completed in 2020. It is located right next to Kameoka Station, and it has a seating capacity of 21,600. So there you have it, Sumiya Ryokan and Sanga Stadium in Kameoka. Come and visit when you can. And if there's anything that you're interested in about Kyoto or Japan, leave me a comment. じゃあまたね. Until next time.